Hi guys, it's Dr. Pete here. I'm a workplace psychologist. We're focusing in on team health using the Team Pulse system. And in this short video, we're going to have a look at how to have a team conversation based on our Pulse scorecard, focusing in on priority area number 1, job satisfaction. A quick recap, of course, we get a weekly Pulse email, which each team member gets. That generates a monthly group scorecard or team scorecard, and that triggers the team debrief conversation. The team debrief conversation, as we know, has step 1, reviewing our scorecard, step 2, discussing some possible actions or next steps to lift things up, and step 3, making a commitment to change. Let's get into priority area number 1, job satisfaction, and walk through the process now. Step 1, you can see on the screen now, we could look at our scorecard, and in the example there you can see the priority area number 1 is quite clear. Step 2 is where we have a discussion, and to keep that discussion tight, we grab a conversation cue card, a debrief card from the website, and put that up on the screen, which has a couple of key strategies that as a team we could take immediate action on. We have an elbow partners conversation just for a couple of minutes, thinking about the applicability of those 3 ideas, and idea number 4, anything you guys think you could do that's short, simple, clear, effective, and fits into your team activity. Let's look at those ideas in detail now. Idea number 1, as you can see on the screen, link your roles in the team chart with the wider strategy. Having a conversation together as a team about each person's role and what are the key things they do and how does that fit into the wider strategy of the organization. That can do wonders to help you fine-tune, sharpen, refocus, or energize to realize that you are making a difference, no matter how big or small. Sometimes in the day-to-day, we forget how our roles connect into the wider strategy. Alternatively, it can trigger a good conversation with your line manager if you need to tweak that to make your job more purposeful and meaningful in the organization. Idea number 2, book some time together to do a 90-day sprint on your top 2 goals in your team action plan. You know, we all have action plans or strategy documents as teams, things that we have to do over the course of 12 months. Sometimes it's good to dust them off if we're feeling a bit stale. Pick on 1 or 2 goals and really tighten up what we're going to do in the next 90 days. They call that a 90-day sprint. Idea number 3 is about having a think about just how effective your team activity cycle is at the moment. Are you meeting frequently enough? Not frequently enough? Are your stand-up meetings or your huddles working properly? Are you checking in on each other enough to really look after each other? And professional development. Are you keeping those skills being sharpened? Once you've discussed those ideas and any extras you might have, we go to step 3 where we commit to action. And as we know, as a team, we pool our ideas as a whole group and we select 1 or 2 that we're going to commit to for the next 30 days to really dig deep to lift job satisfaction. And we write that down as an accountable action on our scorecard. So there's a way to run a team debrief conversation about priority area number 1, job satisfaction. Remember, anything you can do to keep boosting your team health will ultimately be boosting your team performance. So until next time, bye for now.